How to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite others. Open your Zoom app, click on Schedule, type your meeting subject here, select your meeting date, select when you will start your Zoom meeting, then select when you will end your Zoom meeting. Select your time zone. Now, if you want to have a Zoom meeting at the same time every day, week, month, or year, then select your preferred option. Here is your meeting ID. Here is your meeting passcode. If you want enable waiting room, that means participant cannot join the meeting by clicking link directly. Only those you allow. Now click on done and save. Then click on invite. You can directly share links, your social media like as Gmail, Messenger, WhatsApp and other, or copy the link share. Thanks for watching.